Hello, CP English students. Happy Friday. If it's CP4, happy Monday for CP5 and 6. Today, as we finish up of Mice and Men, we are going to read a poem. That poem is called To a Mouse by the Scottish poet Robert Burns. This is in your Mice and Men folder, To a Mouse. Why are we going to read this poem? Well, this is the poem that inspired John Steinbeck to title his novel of Mice and Men. So, in addition to being an interesting poem, not too long, and it rhymes, which is the best part, we are going to discuss how we're going to do a close reading of the poem, and we're going to discuss how this poem helps us better understand the novel of Mice and Men that we just read. Pretty interesting stuff. So first, as always, fill out the attendance form, then log into Zoom, and then refresh your OneNote so you have this, and I will see you guys in a sec. Bye.